It is quite humid out there. We do have an approaching front, so that's going to drive up the humidity as we go through the rest of the evening, heading into tonight. And winds have picked up significantly. We're dealing with easterly winds at 14 miles per hour. So as we take a look at the live radar scan here, here's what I'm tracking. We're looking at moderate to heavy rain. This is the North Shore along I-55 in Tangi, Amite City, stretching into Kentwood. And you can see that heavy rain will continue to push to the east. Picayune will see rain shortly, and Mandeville again seeing some heavy rain west of that city. As we head to the South Shore, picking up on some spotty showers, some thunderstorms, heavy rain east and west rather, and north of Grand Isle. We have one cluster here of thunderstorms moving towards Port Sulphur. But again, this is a part of a larger system, a cold front and also a warm front that will be lifting from the south, and we'll see widespread rain as we go through the overnight hours. So we do run a severe weather threat as we go through the overnight hours under a marginal risk, a level 1, highlighted in green where you could see the threats right there: heavy rain, gusty winds, and can't rule out an isolated tornado with those stronger thunderstorms. But there's also a flooding rain risk. We're under a slight risk where we can see again the scattered rain can get heavy in a few locations, and that may lead to localized flooding. We may see some training with those stronger thunderstorms. So we'll be watching that as we go through tonight. But here's a look at the current temperatures. It is quite warm in a few locations. Lower 70s in Belchase, Galliano, Houma, into Raceland, and we're in the upper 60s in Slidell, Mandeville, stretching into Picayune. There's a look at your winds out of the east, dealing with a strong wind gust near Slidell at 20 miles per hour. Notice Shell Beach, again indicated in yellow, of 16 miles per hour. And your wind forecast, the winds will remain in place as we go through the rest of the evening, head into tonight, and we may see wind gusts of 25 miles per hour, again, as that weather system moves through. And here's a look at the temperature forecast here, hour by hour. Temperatures will continue to warm here into the lower 70s as that warm front, again, moves in from the south, and then we'll start to cool down as we head into early tomorrow morning. So if you do any Black Friday shopping, bring the umbrella with you because a few lingering showers are possible. Tonight, temperatures will get quite chilly in a few locations, 60s across the area, lower 60s north of the lake, and we're looking at middle to upper 60s south of the lake. And even though we will see some rain as we head into tonight, we actually have several chances for rain as we go through the next several days. So it looks like more rain is on the way after tonight. So timing it all out, notice the timestamp. We're closer to midnight, heavy rain moving through the area as that frontal boundary moves through, but things looking much drier as we get closer to lunchtime tomorrow. It's going to be another gloomy day, folks. We may see some light showers along our coastal areas, but that's about it. We will continue to dry out as we go through your Friday afternoon. Not a whole lot of sunshine in the forecast, and Friday night looking dry under mostly cloudy conditions. If you are heading out to the Bayou Classic, I would bring the umbrella because another round of heavy rain is possible as we go through your Saturday morning into your Saturday afternoon, and things drying out as we head into your Saturday night under mostly cloudy conditions. And here's a look at the rainfall forecast for today, or tonight rather. Many locations picking up between 1 to 2 inches, with locally higher amounts up to 3 inches possible. But then jumping ahead to Saturday, notice some spots could pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches, which can cause some issues. So we'll be watching the flooding threat very closely. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, heavy rain moving in as we head through the overnight hours. Temperatures climbing into the lower 70s tomorrow. And again, some lingering showers are possible early Friday morning. As we jump ahead to the weekend here, more rain on the way Saturday, drying out Saturday evening with temperatures in the lower 70s, looking much drier on Sunday with lots of sunshine and temperatures near average also in the lower 70s. Upper 60s on Monday, and look at this, we climb into the middle to upper 70s on Tuesday with more rain on the way as we head into your Wednesday afternoon.
All right, thanks so much.